Yes. After the addition, I am going to the subtraction. In our time, subtraction it is also used, but S is absent now. So now I am going to use the word subtraction. Also, there are 4 methods, but before that, the most important things, either you can say warm up or point to be noted. Point to be noted. Why I am saying point to be noted? That not always I am going to repeat all these things. For example, suppose this is the 10 minus 4. It is unlike addend is equal to 6. I will explain you how 10 minus 4, 6 comes by not forward counting but backward counting. So in all the subtractions, I will use backward counting. But the notation is very, very important. For example, the first highest number is known as minuend. And this is referred as subtrahend. Subtrahend. And this is referred as minus. Minus. And this term is referred as difference. This is the first point to be noted. What is the second point? In addition, I have already told you, if you change the position of addend, there is no effect on the sum. But here, it is not true. Here, position of digits, position of minuend and subtrahend cannot be changed. Minuend is higher than subtrahend. So first, here, the minuend greater than subtrahend. That is second point. Third point, the position of minuend and subtrahend cannot be changed. At least class 2 students of math. In higher classes, situation will be different. अब देखिए, fourth point, the single digit number, I am just reminding, single digit numbers numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9. And you have to do O, T, O, T in all places. Rest you do it. Because I have already explained. The fifth point is 2-digit number. Generally, it is referred as a 2-digit number. It is a convention. Numbers. This I have also explained. I am not going to write all this one. That it starts from 10, 11, 12, and it will go up to 98 and 99. Oh. Now these are the, you can say this very simple form. And 2-digit number 6 point. For example, 98 TO. Expanded, this is the short form. Short form. And this is the expanded form plus 8. Once I am here writing, because once I will say O, so in a confusion, the children can understand it is 80. That is the point which is very, very important when I am going to do the subtraction, and 4 method is there. So now I will discuss first method. Just see, first method, just like in addition, it was a forward counting. But here we have to do backward counting. Like this. For example, suppose by backward counting. Example 1. ऐसे चला देना. Subtract subtract 8 from 45. Obviously, by backward counting. Here it is O, T, O. So, how will write? And this is generally a horizontal subtraction. Even in the addition, if there are 2 digits, you can have a horizontal addition. So here I am writing this thing. How you can write it? Write, I have already explained, highest number will be extreme. 45 OT. In addition, the highest number was in the left, and we have to move right, because in the backward counting from right to left, it is very, very important in the higher classes. So because of that, I have written, and what is the, and this is referred as, if you write this thing, that right 45 minus 8, if you write, this is the horizontal method. Horizontal method. If you write like this, very clear that the subtract 8 from 45 should be written like this, horizontal method. Now step 1. Step 1. Here highest number is 45. Right? The step 1 is write highest number 45 in extreme right, in extreme right as left right. $45. Now backward counting means you have to go from right to left. अब देखिए, now you have to subtract 8. So you have to make 8 square to the left side. Unlike addition, just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 square. So you can backward counting by using square. Question should be clear. And now just say, if you have the backward counting means before 45, before I have already explained, before 45 number is, just here also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 8 you have to subtract. So before 45 is 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. So ultimately, when you do like this, so you can write is equal to 37, O and T. So it is very easy to write 37 here. That is step 1, but step 2 you can say, count backward by using before, this is very important, 45 8 times. मतलब 8 बार अब उसको जो है बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करना है, बिफोर काउंटिंग करना है. देन यू कैन गेट द सब्सट्रैक्शन. the final results minus. So step 3, subtract, hence जो आपने यहाँ लिखा है 45 minus 8 is equal to 37. Now I am going to use the second method. So here I am using the second method. Second method is similar to the square method, but by using backward counting with straight vertical line. And I am giving the example. Example 2. Subtract 6 from 55. Here in both example, I have taken highest number 2-digit number and the lowest number is a 1-digit number. So it is much easier. But if you take, even you can do this by taking highest number 2-digit, lowest number 2-digit as well by following the same procedure. अब देखिए सॉल्यूशन क्या है? Step 1, write highest number 55 at extreme right. As I have done in the example 1. So write here 55. Step 2. Write or draw the vertical line 6 times to the left highest number. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्या कह रहा है, 6 डिजिट को हाईएस्ट नंबर लिखिए, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 vertical lines should be written at one place and with some distance you can start from here 1. तो 6 हो गया. अब यहाँ काउंट कर लीजिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This writing is very important for the mediocre students. Then step 3, count and cut a vertical line by backward counting. Backward counting. अब कैसे करना है? Before 55, 54 will come and cut here. Then write 53, cut here. 52, cut here. 53 here. 54 here. And 53, 52 होगा ये, 52 and 51. So final result is that this is equal to 51. O and T. That means the step 4, the result is in horizontal subtraction. Horizontal subtraction कैसे है? ये देखिए 55 minus 6 O T is equal to 51. Based on two methods, I will give some question for practice. So question for practice. For practice. Question 1, Q1 लिखते हैं, इसका मतलब क्वेश्चन 1. Subtract the following by backward counting with minuend, subtrahend minus and difference. अब देखिए A 68 minus 7 is equal to, fill up this gap. B 74 minus 0.5. In every question you have to write minuend, minus, subtrahend, equal and difference. OTO. C 60 minus 0.8. And 4 D is 54 minus 0.6. And teacher can make many questions based on this. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन 2. Subtract by backward backward straight line method. Straight vertical line method. अब देखिए, अब यहां पर थोड़ा मैं वर्टिकल दे दूंगा, A 38 minus 0.6, B 53 minus 0.4, C 67 minus 0.0, D 98 minus 0.9, E 48 minus 0.9. और सजेशन है, सजेशंस, राइट tens and ones in every question. In every question. So these two methods just similar to the addition by using the square forward counting, by using the straight line vertical forward counting. Similar way, the subtraction of the first method and second method is by using the square and straight line in a backward counting, just opposite to the plus. So here I want to conclude that conclusion is addition is opposite to subtraction. Use of this conclusion I will make at the later stage, maybe after 4th and 5th. Thank you very much.